I fucking love Clash Royale, and no matter where you look on social media, there's always some guy telling you it's possible to vibe code your very own app in like 2 hours, while also making like $2 million in revenue.
If you want to make 100K this month, I'm about to give you 3 viral apps you can build in 30 seconds.
And this just isn't possible, right? They are just trying to sell you a dream that doesn't exist in reality. However, they're not completely wrong. I myself vibe coded my very first own mobile game and launched it to the App Store in only just 7 days without any prior experience. So it is actually possible. And I don't even know how to code, so if I can do it, you can definitely too. But building this app and launching it to the App Store really opened my eyes to what was possible to create with AI. And here's the thing, I love Clash Royale. I think it's one of the best games ever created. And here's a hot take, I think Clash Royale is actually harder than chess. Anyways, laying in my bed, that's when I got the idea. I wanted to see if Claude Code could replicate Clash Royale. So that's what this video is about. So if you watched this far, comment down below if you think Claude Code would be able to recreate Clash Royale. Since I have already built and shipped an app to the App Store, I hope that it will be easy, but we'll see about that. So the very next day I woke up with a purpose. I took my MacBook, went outside and booted up Claude Code with a mission to create Larp Royale, my very own pirate copy of Clash Royale. But before I started writing a single line of code, or well, Claude Code started writing a single line of code, to be honest, I needed to create a claude.md document. Before you start any vibe coding project, I highly recommend you to create a claude.md document. And basically, this is a text document containing all of the instructions and details that Claude Code needs in order to understand your project and basically build it. So now that I had a well thought through claude.md document, it was time to put Claude Code to work. And oh my god, does it feel good to have that little bastard working in your terminal 24/7. It almost feels like cheating. But at the same time it feels a little bit dystopian since I don't really know what he does with the code. But it doesn't really matter, because nowadays all you need to know is how to structure projects and how to ask the right questions. And if you can do that, you can literally create anything. So, after a while of just sitting in the sun spamming the enter button on my MacBook, my little friend Claude Code had finally made the first version of Larp Royale. And I was so excited to test it on my phone. I opened Larp Royale and pressed the start button and I was met with this. This looks absolutely shit. And to be honest, I was a little bit disappointed. I was expecting this to look maybe like 50% as good as Clash Royale, but maybe I have overestimated Claude Code. Maybe the hype is a little bit too high. So now the next challenge begins. Can we make this as good looking as Clash Royale, or at least like 90%? It will be very interesting to see if Claude Code can make it work. And honestly, at this point in this video, I'm not sure because I haven't tried it. Maybe the hype for Claude Code is too high. And maybe it is not, but we'll surely figure that out, so stick around. We're doing a switch of environment. I'm currently out here in Stockholm and my friends are running around this pitch. Unfortunately, I've caught an allergy, so I'm sitting outside here and just doing some Claude coding, trying to fix up the graphics of Larp Royale. Guys, so I found this package, and I think this package actually can help us get the characters to look as close as possible to the real game. And it's actually going quite well. So now I will show you some gameplay of Larp Royale fixed up so it should look as close as possible to Clash Royale. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you the final build. So let's open up Larp Royale, and now actually I've fixed the characters for the most part. So as you can see, it starts as just as a normal game. And here we can place a giant, and here we have the package in work. The giant looks like a real giant. Not as good as the real Clash Royale, of course, but I mean, we can't have that high expectations. We can place down some goblins on this Mega Knight, and let's see what cards he pushes, just so you can get a feel for how the cards looks. So here he has some archers. It's kind of laggy, I don't know why there's 4 archers. I can put down this mini P.E.K.K.A to push with. It looks like just the real mini P.E.K.K.A, it even moves. He puts down a hog rider, it gets obliterated. He puts down some skeletons, the mini P.E.K.K.A goes. We put down a fireball, and here's the Valkyrie. You can see the hitting animation when it gets to the tower. to say, it looks quite good. So in conclusion, Claude Code was actually able to recreate Clash Royale. Now, it's not as nearly as good as the real one, of course, but I mean, I've put like 4 hours into this or something, or 3 hours, so I don't know, if you put a month to it, maybe you could recreate the whole version. The key is just to ask the right question and structure the project. So thank you for watching, and if you want to learn how to actually vibe code apps, I have a link in the description that you can follow. Thank you for watching.